Hello, my name's Jordan from SF Game Development. We're here at DNA Lounge with Reddit, Tipalti and Unity, hosting the largest event of GDC 2025. Come check it out.
Hey, it's Alex, part of Tombstone Taxi. We're demoing our game here at the San Francisco Game Developers Meetup, the DNA Lounge at GDC, and honestly, I don't think our game would be where it's at if it wasn't for events like this. The feedback has been incredible. Love to be here.
My name is Devin with Worm Brain Games. I'm here showing off my game Planetoid. It's a narrative side-scrolling platformer. Just here trying to, gather feedback on the game. I've had a great time here. Definitely glad that I took the time to come out here and show it off.
Hello, I'm Craig Gonzalez, Alliance Manager for Tipalti, having the best time at the Indie Arcade Party thrown by SF Game Dev, having a great time with our friends Reddit.
I'm here at GDC 2025. I'm having a great time here. A lot of good people, good energy, and developers and gaming enthusiasts. Super excited. We'll be back here next year for sure.
Hey, I'm Jamie Freyna. I am the general manager of Totaled and Swing Striker over here. We work with Giant Fox Studios. We've really been enjoying our time over here at the Indie Arcade. We've had a constant flow of people giving great feedback, really engaging with our games, having a great time.
Today we're here with Jinxbots. We have two projects here. We have the PinSim project, which is an open source project. We also have the Spacebar. The Spacebar is an amazing online game that you can play on Oculus today. And it's a barcade that you can enjoy with your friends and family. The reception has been absolutely unbelievable. Everybody has said that it feels like they're actually playing a real pinball machine.
I've really enjoyed getting together with so many like-minded individuals, being able to connect, and really enjoying a hospitable atmosphere that wouldn't be possible without tonight's sponsors.